La 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 la. Hey, how are you doing? I hope you're doing well on today. So today we are going to look at these candles, which are a bearish signal in an uptrend. Okay, so we're going to train our eye so we see these. We know in key areas. All right, which a key area is the resistance or the supply zone that we are looking for a reversal in the market. All right, and so the first one is the doji, and you know the doji represent indecision in the market. All right, and so basically the opening and closing price are the same. And then we have the spinning top, and so with the spinning top, there's a tug of war, yeah, with the bulls and also the bears. All right, so you have the smaller body, and then you have a longer wick on both sides of that smaller body. All right, and then we have the shooting star, and so with the shooting star we have this long tweezer or pin bar, which actually means that the price could not sustain itself in the bullish trend, and it pushed all the way down here by the sellers. And so we do have that smaller body at the bottom, and that is the shooting star. And then we have our hanging man, and so with the hanging man we have the smaller body here, and then here we have a longer shadow or a pin bar here, and with this pin bar it should be 2 times longer than this body here. Okay, so let's do this. Let's go to the charts and see examples of this reversal. All right, yeah. All right, so here we are on the British pound sterling and the US dollar 30-minute, and then what we see here in the market here is a shooting star. Yeah, and we do see that here in the area of resistance, our supply zone. And then let's go here, and here we have both a doji and a hanging man. Awesome. So we do see those reversals in the market. So let's continue and look for additional reversals in the market. All right, and continuing, I see here, well, we do have, let's see here, boom, there we do have a spinning top, and here we do have a hanging man as well. All right, so let's keep going and look for additional reversals. All right, and we see that here in this area here we do have a hanging man. It does have a little wick at the top as well, but it is a hanging man as well. Here in this area we do have another pin bar, and then this body here will be a shooting star. Okay, so that's our shooting star right there. And then here we do have another spinning top right there as well. And then here in this area we have another shooting star there as well. Okay, all right, and continuing, we're going to look at this area right here, and we have that right there, which is beautiful, hanging man, right? Yeah, so we did have a lot of areas where we could see where in the market that we had those. I want to show you one more thing, because we didn't have a doji. Yeah, so we do have a doji right there with the spinning top, and then price did move down right there, then another shooting star right there. And so also you do have those dojis in the market as well, all right, which are indecision in the market too. All right, so this has been a fun exercise on today, and I hope that it actually assisted you in locating the areas where you have those reversals in the market, and two, make sure you acknowledge those pin bars so that you will know that's what price exhaustion took place in those key areas as well. All right, so keep that in mind, and I hope this helped you. Have a beautiful day. Most definitely, I wish you well. All right, bye-bye.